The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clay, Kanawha, and Roane counties in West Virginia until 6:45 p.m. At 5:45 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing nickel-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Clendenin, or 15 miles west of Clay, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this storm include Clay, Walbeck, and Big Otter. If you are in the path of this storm, seek shelter now. Please report strong winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 o'clock p.m. Tuesday evening for central Kentucky, southeast Ohio, and central West Virginia.